Let's continue with topic two, which is the key concepts in strategic management. And we shall start with strategic competition. Strategic competition, it looks at competing for long-term survival or competing with a long-term orientation. When your focus is not right now, but you're competing because of the future, because of something that you want to achieve in the future. Because you want to stay long in business, something like that. You compete for long term survival or competing with a long term orientation. That's what we call strategic competition. Then another one is called strategic thinking. It refers to long term thinking. You think about what the future should be like. Yeah. You build scenarios of the future and plotting backwards to see how your present actions can influence the future. Yeah, seeing the big picture about the future. Yeah, and this can only be successful when you get commitment from top executives and those key organizational members who will implement the strategy for achieving your strategic direction. So strategic thinking, it's about thinking about the future, drawing a bigger picture, picture painting of the future. Yeah. Another key concept is called competitive exclusion, and this looks at the argument that no two firms can exist if they continue to make a living in an identical way. Like, if you're all doing the same things, it's very hard for you to coexist or to exist in the same environment. Yeah, for example, MTN and Airtel, they are all doing the same things, telecommunication. So it is very hard for them to exist in the same environment. Yeah, but they can coexist, and this can be achieved through competitive market targeting. If you target a particular market that your fellow is not targeting, you can be able to exist in the same environment. Then market positioning, MTN is the market leader and Airtel is the market challenger. So it's how they end up existing in the same environment, yet they're producing or they're giving identical services. So, for competitive exclusion, a firm survives at the expense of another similar firm.